Introducing the Rampant Filmmaker Toolbox, a portable production powerhouse of over 1,000 high-definition drag-and-drop effects on a 1 terabyte USB 3.0 drive. That's right, over 1,000 beautiful HD drag-and-drop effects in the palm of your hand. The Rampant Filmmaker Toolbox is fast, portable, and powerful. The Rampant Filmmaker Toolbox includes our world-famous organic overlays, style mats, easy-to-use transitions, motion graphics, lower thirds, and looping backgrounds. The Rampant Filmmaker Toolbox is QuickTime based, meaning no installation and no plugins are required in order to use them. The Rampant Filmmaker Toolbox works in all editing and compositing apps and is extremely easy to use. Just drag a Rampant style effect onto your timeline and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Grab this post-production powerhouse from Rampant Design and Iographer today. Available exclusively at iographer.com. That's iographer.com.